Hey everyone! In this video, let's learn all 12 tenses with a fun story of Jack and his pet hen, Sarah. Meet Jack. And this is Sarah.
Hello, I'm Jack. And this is my hen, Sarah. Every day with her is an adventure, and through our daily activities, you'll learn all 12 tenses.
Let's start with the simple present. We use it for daily life, habits, and routines. Let's understand this with Jack's routine. Jack collects eggs every morning. It's part of his daily habit, so we use the present tense. Let's see his full routine to understand it better. He wakes up early and starts his day with a smile. Then he walks toward the coop to collect eggs and take care of his hens, especially Sarah, just like he does every single day. Finally, Jack collects the fresh eggs from the nests. It's his favorite part of the morning. Now let's look at the rule for the simple present. We use subject plus the base verb, and we add as for he, she, or it. For example, Sarah lays eggs. This shows a regular action she does. Now let's understand the present continuous. We use it for actions happening right now at this very moment. Let's see this with Jack and Sarah. First, Jack is collecting the eggs. It's happening right now, so we use the present continuous. After that, he is feeding Sarah, giving her grains while she pecks happily. Another action happening in the moment. Next, Jack is catching Sarah as she flaps around playfully, an ongoing action we can see. Finally, he is putting Sarah in the coop. All these actions are happening right now, which is exactly when we use the present continuous. Now let's see the rule for the present continuous. We use subject plus, is, am, or are, followed by the verb with ing. For example, Sarah is laying eggs now. The action is happening right now, which is why we use the present continuous. Now let's move to the present perfect tense. We use it for actions that have already happened, but we can still see their results now. Let's understand this with Jack's day. Earlier, Jack was collecting the eggs, which means the action was still in progress. But now, Jack has collected all the eggs, and the basket is full, so we can see the result. So, we use the present perfect here. Next, Jack has fed Sarah. He just finished feeding her, and we can still see the result because Sarah is happily pecking the grains. Then, Sarah has eaten all the grains, the ground is clean now, showing the action is complete. We don't say Sarah ate all the grains, because that's just past tense. It doesn't show the connection to the present moment. But with has eaten, we can see the result right now. The grains are gone. Finally, Jack has returned home to rest after finishing all his chores. That's how the present perfect shows actions that are completed, yet their results are still visible. Let's look at the rule for the present perfect tense. We form it using subject plus, has or have plus the past participle form of the verb. For example, Sarah has laid 3 eggs today. Simply, we use this when an action happened recently, and its result is still important right now. Now let's look at the present perfect continuous tense. We use it for actions that started in the past and are still happening, often showing how long the action has been going on. Let's see this with Jack's day. Jack has been collecting eggs since early morning. He started a while ago, and we can see he is still working. Next, Jack has been watering the farm plants since mid-morning. The action began earlier, and he continues to take care of the plants. Finally, Jack has been repairing the large coop since noon. He started around midday, and we can see him still fixing it, showing the ongoing effort. All these actions started in the past but continue into the present, which is why we use the present perfect continuous. Let's look at the rule for the present perfect continuous tense. We form it using subject plus, has or have plus, been plus, verb plus ing. For example, Sarah has been eating for 30 minutes. We use this tense when an action started in the past and is still continuing now, often emphasizing the duration of the activity.
I hope you enjoyed seeing my day, and learning all about the present tenses. Stay tuned and subscribe to follow my story as we explore the past tenses next.